never fails. You've got a paint job that you're doing, and the customer is waiting in the lobby, and you get a piece of trash or dirt, debris, could be a bug, could be anything that's airborne lands on that finish, and you have to wait now for it to be cured, sand it out, polish it back. We found a way to make that process a little simpler. We're calling it our Dan-Am Vac, or DAA Vac, as you'll see on the label. The Dan-Am Vac just simply plugs into your air hose. It creates a Venturi effect that creates a vacuum, and we can suck those dirt particles right out of the wet clear coat. So we're going to demonstrate it. We're going to spray clear on this panel. We're going to, while the clear coat's wet, we're going to plug in the Dan-Am Vac, and we're going to take out some of those particles right out of the wet clear. That'll allow the wet clear to lay down, fill out the hole that you might have left. And it's going to be a simple, then maybe just a light nib and polish without sanding through, without worrying about cutting through back into your base coat. One of the advantages is if it happens in your first coat of clear and you don't have a large film build on there, that you can sand that particle out. It eliminates you having to sand all the way back down through 2 or 3 layers of clear to get to the dirt. You can take it out right when it happens. So let's give it a shot. We'll show you what it looks like. Okay, we sprayed our final coat of clear. After we had removed the dirt that we had placed in this clear coat job, we gave the clear time to flash off and lay down, self-heal itself after we pulled the dirt out of it. And I think you can see the result. Absolutely now going to be just a simple minor polish rather than having to sand out a lot of trash. So it made this job a lot simpler. I guess one thing we also should talk about when we use the Dan-Am Vac, other items that may be useful for is if on an edge of a panel, edge of a door skin, any panel edges where you may over apply or get a little bit of a run starting down the edge of a panel, the vac also works for sucking up some of that extra clear. So it can save an awful lot of sanding later and make the job to final prep the panel for delivery much easier.